Hello friends, welcome to GMG Commerce class. Today we are going to discuss 12th standard chapter 2 function of management. Choose the correct answers. Which is the primary function of management? Answer is planning. Which of the following is not a main function? Decision making. Dash is included in every managerial function. Coordinating. Which of the following is verification function? Controlling. These are all the choose the correct answers. Now we move on to very short answers questions. Write about a short note about planning. So you have to say about planning. Wherever star is given, that has been repeated question in the board exam. Planning is the primary function of management. Nothing can be performed without planning. Planning refers to deciding in advance. Planning should take place before doing. So, whatever you want to do, you have to do according to your plan. Without plan, you should not do any work. Whether it is a business or study, for everything, planning is must. Now, what is meant by motivation? The goals are achieved with the help of motivation. Motivation includes increasing the speed of performance of a work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. This is done by a resourceful leader. Next question. What is meant by controlling? Controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees and deciding increments and promotion decisions. It is a control function which facilitates synchronization of actual performance with predetermined standards. Next question, very easy question. List the subsidiary function of management. Innovation, representation, decision making, and communication are the function of management. Last question. What is a traditional proverb used in planning? Think before you act or look before you leap. So this is the main proverb in planning. Now we move on to short answers. First question in short answer. List out the main function of management. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling, coordination. These are the side headings of function of management. State the importance of staffing. Staffing refers to the placement of right person in the right job. Staffing includes selection of right persons, training to those needy persons, promotion of best persons, retirement of old persons, performance appraisal of all the personnel, and adequate remuneration of personnel. The success of any enterprises depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. Next question. What is meant by innovation? Innovation means new ideas, new techniques. Innovation refers to the preparation of personnel and organization to face the changes made in the business world. Next question. What is meant by coordination? Controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees and deciding increments and promotion decisions. The control function helps in identifying underperformers and arranging remedial training for them. It is a control function which facilitates synchronization of actual performance with predetermined standards. This is the meaning of coordination. Now, next question: how the employees are informed about important matters in a company. Communication is the transmission of human thoughts, views, or opinions from one person to another person. Workers are informed about what should be done, where it is to be done, how it is to be done, and when it is to be done. Communication help the regulation of job and coordinate the activities. Now we move on to long answers. Explain the various function of management. Very important question which has been asked in so many times in the examination. Main function. First point, planning. Already we studied the planning. Planning is the primary function of management. Nothing can be performed without planning. So without planning you can't do anything. Planning refers to the deciding in advance. Planning should take place before doing. Next point, organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of relationship among them. So both harmonious relationship means both the persons, employees and employer, manager and a worker, both have good understanding. Then only they can do the work perfectly. Staffing. Staffing refers to placement of right person in the right job. The success of any enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. Now, next point, directing. Directing denotes motivating, leading, guiding, and communicating with subordinates on an ongoing basis in order to accomplish preset goals. That is the meaning of directing. Direct the person. This question has been asked in 2 marks separately. What do you mean by directing? That's why your star is given. Motivating. It is a process of stimulating people to actions to accomplish the goal. Motivation includes increasing the speed of performance of a work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. Controlling. It is the control function which facilitates synchronization of actual performance with predetermined standards. Coordination. Coordination is the synchronization of the action of all individuals working in the enterprise in different capacities. Now we will move on to subsidiary functions. Innovation. Innovation refers to the preparation of personnel and organization to face the changes made in the business world. Representation. A manager has to act as representative of a company. It is the duty of every manager to have good relation with others. Decision making. Every employee of an organization has to take a number of decisions every day. Decision making helps in the smooth function of an organization. So correct decision will help the organization very much. Communication. Communication is a transmission of human thoughts, views, or opinions from one person to another person for the betterment of the organization. So, up to this, our second chapter is completed. Understand, student? Very good.